futuristic and never saw that happen, and it wasn't that way earlier. But anyway, he cuts the zip ties, he jumps out, he gets the hold of the gun, and just then Lucas wakes up. And he's like, "Where's Carrie?" And he goes, "Right."
Oh, now you signal.
With my gun.
Very
You're
good.
gonna shoot me now, huh?
In order for it to be true, and you don't have to believe in science for it to work. It still works on you. You don't have to believe vaccines are going to work for them to work around you, right? You don't have. You could be an anti-vaxxer and still get vaccines because other people around you got them.
Well, these fuckers are always so selective about the science they don't believe in, right?
Great place to stop.
Other than that period, it was pretty fun.
Did you have symptomatic COVID?
No, like the most mild symptoms.
Okay.
I guess maybe 1 or 2 days of like some bad symptoms, but one day I had to walk like. This is when I was pretty sick, trying to get a test. I had to walk like 3 miles in the snow, like 15-degree weather, and I'm from LA, so like I just.
Don't understand how people will drive around without their lights on.
We don't clap. We don't do that clap.
Yeah, we don't have to count, clap, or fucking do the fucking hokey pokey.
You don't have to like count back to me. You're like clever Hans over there with your fucking wolf.
No, instead we can just record live from Glorial Studios in Chicago
And beyond.
This is Cognitive Dissonance. Every episode we blast anyone who gets in our way. We bring critical thinking, skepticism, and irreverence to any topic that makes.
As far as I can tell,
Spirit. So you say it was a religious spirit, but it seems to me, Donna, that you're making more claims. Again, I do feel at this point that we're.
Why are you facing that way?
You're making a lot of
How are you going to get out of there?
enthusiasm, and I assume you're.
He was struck in the chest by an anti-aircraft gun, and he was killed immediately. His plane quickly lost altitude, and on his death, the Red Baron had shot down more than 80 planes before being killed in combat.
Right in the bike lane, dipshit!
In November of that same year. All right, Tom,
Oh my god, go! Go! The green light. Idiots. I hate that interchange. mean, they're supposed to yield, but...
Yeah, they are.
Really turn your rate. What the hell? That was a jackass move. BLZ 2453 is an asshole. Certified asshole.
Because she is definitely the little princess.
That's one big ass baby.
Right numbers. All
Not a parking spot. There's parking up there. He just flipped me off immediately. Oh, sorry. Alright. I guess I'll go. All these parking spaces up here. What? What?
I was parking it because I'm on the phone.
Okay. You can't find. I was just pointing out there's parking spaces up here.
I'm not parking. I live right there. You fucking retard.
Go on with your day. It's a bike lane. Meh. Being a big baby.
a long time, and then he was a substitute teacher there, part-time. And then he announced on his social media, his personal social media, that he defenses. In January of 1917, Richthofen earned the Pour le Merit after his 16th confirmed kill, and he also assumed command of Jasta 11, an elite cadre of German fighter pilots, including in their ranks his own brother. It was at this point that the Red Baron was born, when Richthofen decided to paint his plane red. Soon
Why are they all
others
going
in
straight?
Jasta 11 began painting parts of their planes, some with red, others with
Like
just
3 cars in a row.
lopsided. And I
Left turn
enjoy
lane,
thinking of a
assholes.
time when you could be in the military in the middle.
It's a red light, buddy.
So he takes that and goes and sits back down.
Gotta race to
So
the
you think
next
he was
one.
trying to steal from him? My that he was just trying to figure out who.
Good job. Blocking the box. Different department, different standards, higher speed, so much more consequential.
Well, and theirs is more of like a Like they're not worried about little tiny streets and this and
Yeah.
that. It's on a bigger scale.
Yep. Pack it in. Hope for the best. Right.
So close to my face. Jesus. I turned around and jeez. And then I was like, yeah, at least I'm honest. He's like,
Great driving. Good job. See, that's what I like.
salty Seattle.
See, that's what I like to do. I like to congratulate people on their
Stupidity.
yes.
Yes. It's the best.
Like we see that. Whoa. Hello.
Let me finish. I have sent rest of sentence. You're a mixed race couple that would not be legal to get married in plenty of red states
Really?
if it was up to GOP Senator Mike Braun as of this month in 2022.
What are you doing?
During a press conference last week, he said,
Passenger load zone right there. Nah, let's block traffic and that garage at the same time, and then pull a illegal U-turn.
Misunderstood the question that led to him saying that, which is what I meant. I really meant that. He thinks the decision about Ginny being fucking blood traitor is a federalism thing, and the same goes for other prominent fans.
Where are you going?
Like, for example, Clarence Thomas.
Where are you going?
Of the Federalist Society.
The red light.
Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe they missed the tumor at the hospital. Right. Maybe
God.
got a really big fucking tumor in his face. I don't know.
I don't understand. Okay. South Carolina. Yeah, race to that red light. Where are we going? Yep, turning left from the middle lane. Classic. What are you doing? And this fuckhead is... You're in the street. No. Yay. We did it. Oh my God. Does it say walk? No, it doesn't. Good Lord. Up there. Going the wrong way, idiot. There you go. That's better.